Hello and welcome all. In the last lecture, we have had the spin kit elements in action. We have actually coded and integrated the spin kit and we have seen spin loader in action. So this lecture, we'll try a few other spin kit elements and see the animated loaders in action, and we'll test the application without the delay. So I have got this application still running as it was last time, and this was if you retry, it was a bounce effect. Now this time we'll try the other couple of other things, like if you remove bounce, then you will have some others like chase, circle. So let's try with chase. All right, and then Control Shift build, just build the application. Application is browser is open still in front of me, so all I need to do is to refresh. Build has succeeded. So if I reload this page, so you can see this is the chase. If you click on retry, it will chase. Okay, force the exception and then retry, it is still the chase effect. All right, so we'll try a couple of more. So I have got a grid effect, which is very nice and cool. Spinkit.grid. Again, I will build Control Shift B hotkey combination. Let me again reload. So this is the grid component. This is the grid component in front of me. And if you click on force exception and retry, it is still showing the grid before coming to the exception. Let me remove the delay and see what happens. So I am just introducing a delay explicitly just to give it a long running operation, because this is just loading a few records, so that's why it is almost instantaneous unless I simulate with a task.delay. So if I now build it and refresh the browser, now if I now reload, so data is almost instantaneous. If I retry, it's almost instantaneous, but you can see it was not to even show that the delay was introduced. It is to also show you that, in normal case, even if it is an asynchronous loading, it will be almost instantaneous as it seems to the eyes. But if there are thousands of such records spread over many pages or even in a single page, then it will not be instantaneous. In that case, automatic delay will be introduced, and within that case, in that scenario, the loading indicator will serve to give a nice presentation to the eyes.